Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how you can buy Etsy gift cards on Etsy. But first I wanted to tell you that don't forget to subscribe because at 10,000 subscribers I'm going to show you my YouTube revenue statistics and my growth strategy, how you can make money online. So open the app. After that, click on the U option, which is at the bottom of the screen. Then you can see the shop Etsy gift cards option. So you can choose a design for your card. After that, you have to give the recipient's name. After that, your name. You have to add a personal note, I mean, if you want that. And after that, you can choose the amount. You can see $25, $50, $100, and $250, and you can choose the delivery method, which is emailed to recipient or printed emailed to you, and then you have to print it out. And you have to give the recipient email address, and you have to confirm the email address again, then add to cart, and you have to pay for that, and then you are all set. So this is how you can create a gift card and how you can buy a gift card. I hope this video was helpful for you. If yes, please consider subscribing, and see you in the next one. Bye bye.